Hey, it's Frank from 4D Honeybee in a very messy garage, and this is my latest creation here. I decided to make my own mating box for bees, and this is what I came up with. It's really just a prototype, but I think it's going to work. So I made this lid, which is just, what do they call these lids? Can't remember. Not a transient lid, but something like that. So that's the outer lid. Then inside, we've got 3 chambers. So I took a standard deep body box, and I just put some partitions in it. 2 partitions to make 3 chambers, you see? Each chamber has an exit or entrance. See that one down there in the corner? And you got this one with the entrance here. I'll probably cover up this upper entrance. And then the 3rd one here with an entrance over there. So the thought being that these will fit 3 frames perfectly if I had them. You know what? I'm going to splice them in. Hang on. So there we go. I grabbed some frames, and you can see how nicely it fits 3 frames absolutely perfectly with this 3/4 inch plywood in the middle. So that's the plan, to be able to raise, 3 queens at a time in this box. And it is a prototype. If it works well, I will just build one more so that any given time I could do 6 queens at a time. That seems like a good number for me right now. But anyway, oh yeah, screen bottom board, and I'll have an insert that I have kicking around here somewhere. I'm working on those as well, so you can slide the insert in when if it's cool, and leave them some more ventilation when it's not. So that's the 4D honey box. Hopefully it'll work. I've kind of seen variants of this kicking around. I didn't have a design or anything. I just figured that a bit of trial and error and kind of all makes sense. Every box needs to have its own access, its own egress, and the whole thing has to end up having a lid. Migratory lid. That's what this is called. Migratory lid. I don't know why they call it that, but yeah, I figured that's what would work the best. So anyway, we'll give it a shot and see how it works. Looks pretty. I'm still going to paint the bottom as well. I'm going to paint the bottom white. So thanks for joining me at 4D Honeybee.